Hello everyone. In this video, we highlight a knit from the Crazy Brioche collection. My author designs knits that are distant relative of English rib stitch. The first knitting pattern in this collection is this one. The video's description can be found at this link. Today's knitting pattern consists of 2 loops and 2 rows that are repeated with an offset. We will use the knitting from the bottom row method, to avoid adding yarn over the hook when making a yarn over loops. The outcome is a variation of the stockinette stitch on the wrong side and a variation of the honeycomb stitch on the right. Let's start on the wrong side. Row 1 is on the wrong side. After 2 edge stitches, knit all loops from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 2 is on the right side. After 2 edge stitches, purl 1 stitch 2 rows down. Then purl 1. Again. Purl 1 stitch 2 rows down, then purl 1. Continue to do the same until the end of the row. Row 3 is on the wrong side. After 2 edge stitches, knit all loops from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 4 is on the right side. After 2 edge stitches, purl 1 stitch, then purl 1 2 rows down. Again. Purl 1 stitch, then purl 1 2 rows down. Continue to do the same until the end of the row. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.